everyone, Alexa Donne here, and I just wanted to film a quick announcement about an event I will be attending this fall because I want some of you to go as well. I'm not even going as an official guest, I'm going for funsies because I went last year and I really enjoyed it, and I genuinely think this is a great event for people who love books and love writing, and I'm hoping to see more of the Authortube community attending, and that is BookNet Fest. BookNet Fest is a 100% fan-run event. It's small and grassroots, and it's all just about forging great social connections with people who love books. It was started by two booktubers. My name is Marinez, and Thoughts on Tomes, aka Sam, as a place for book fans to gather to talk about books and book blogging and booktube and all that jazz. But it's not just for booktube, it is also for people who straddle the line, authortubers as well. Last year I was privileged to attend as an official guest, as an author who did videos about writing, and we had some really great panels, and I know that Sam and Mari want to expand that content and have more people come who make writing videos on YouTube as well, or blogging, and that's the thing. The core of the community who goes are definitely YouTube people, our people, but they're also bookstagrammers who go, book bloggers. It's just a great place to kind of go and hang out and have some really interesting panels and workshops about all of this stuff that we do. So I am definitely going as me just for fun. I'm gonna propose a few panels, and Lainey is going as well. Lainey's gone to every BookNet Fest, and we became close friends at BookNet Fest last year. So we're definitely gonna go, and we're definitely gonna do something on Authortube. We're also gonna run the Aspiring Writers meetup again, because that was a ton of fun last year. We had like raffle prizes, and we talked about like our whips and our writing processes. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, I just want more people to go. And specifically, I want more Authortubers to go. Lainey and I were talking and we were like, how can we get more Authortubers to go to BookNet Fest so that we can hang out with more people and meet them in person? Because of course, there are a ton of different book events, but one of the reasons BookNet Fest exists is Sam and Mari found that like the big events like BookCon or Y'all Fest, Y'all West, great events, but they didn't leave quite as much space for the in-depth socializing, or even for the types of panels they wanted to do. And then the types of panels I really like. I sat in on these panels last year, I was on a few of them, and they're just really in-depth, interesting conversations about topics that affect us and our community. So it's basically, instead of having like one panel at BookCon that's about booktube, it's an entire con with all these different panels about the bookish community and the writing community. One of the best reasons this is totally doable is because it is a small fan-run event. It is totally affordable. BookNet Fest this year is going to be September 6th and 7th in Orlando, Florida, which of course, being a tourism hub, is pretty easy to fly to, and if you decide to go now, you can purchase tickets now. You should be good. It is post-Labor Day, so it's like heading into the off-season, so it's not quite as crowded. The con itself is hella affordable. It's only $30, guys. $30 for 2 days of everything, and you get to hang out with people, and it's a lot of fun. The whole thing is held at one hotel, the Caribe Royal, which has very reasonable room rates, guys, for insanely large rooms. All of the rooms are suite style, so there's gonna be like a living room and then a separate bedroom, and it's like $100 or so a night, and you can share it with another person. I was blown away by how affordable the rooms were. You can basically do this whole con for a couple $100 if you're like local, or like maybe with your flight, like $500, $600 total, which trust me, for a con is really cheap. I mean, when I go to Dragon Con, I spend minimum $700 just on the hotel room, and that doesn't even factor in other aspects of travel. So it's a really just kind of affordable, fun weekend, and you get to go to Orlando. I'm definitely planning on going to Disney World and to Universal Studios so I can go to the new Harry Potter ride. So I just think it's gonna be a really fun time. It's the weekend after Labor Day. I am really looking forward to it, and if you decide to go, if other Authortubers are going to go, let me know. Like, maybe we can do some panels. Ooh, a meetup. We could do an Authortube meetup. I think that would be a lot of fun. Or even maybe I could do a workshop on, I don't know, growing your Authortube channel. Like, I'm definitely gonna propose some programming, and we'll see what Mari and Sam want to put on the schedule, but I'm basically super excited for BookNet Fest and I want people to go, so I'm making an entire video about it. So I hope to see you there. Let me know down below in the comments, have you heard of BookNet Fest? Have you been? Are you thinking of going? Have I convinced you? Are you gonna go? Please, please go. There's time. It's the beginning of July and this is in September. You totally have time to decide to go, so please go. Basically, that's my pitch, so give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want. I post 2 to 3 times a week. Usually not, please free to attend a specific event in Orlando, content about writing. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy writing, and I hope to see you in Orlando at BookNet Fest.